vocabulary, or words for IELTS, PTE, GRE, and SAT. You could easily remember rare frequency or C1 and C2 words by grouping them into synonyms. Also, by relating words to images, you could remember them for a long time. Please observe the word groups and relate them to the given images which represent these words. Now let us group the synonyms of anger. They are exasperation, resentment, wrath, rage, and fury. Now, let us form sentences by using these words. Exasperation means extreme annoyance or irritation. Because of the undue political pressure, the officer resigned in exasperation. Resentment means a feeling of anger because you have been forced to accept something that you do not like. The decision to ban liquor caused resentment among some people. Wrath means extreme anger. Hitler could not restrain his wrath. Rage means violent anger. The opposition leader delivered a speech full of rage. Fury means extreme or unrestrained anger. Many people became the victims of the fury of the hurricane. Abandon. The synonyms of abandon are forsake, desert, discard, relinquish, abdicate. Now, let us form sentences by using these words. Forsake means to leave completely. Tony vowed that he would forsake his unhealthy habits. Desert means to leave someone in a difficult situation. The bankrupt businessman deserted his wife and children. Discard means to throw away something no longer needed. Passenger discard the containers and bottles in the buses. Relinquish means to give up responsibility or right. The president relinquished his power to his son. Abdicate means to stop managing something one is responsible for. Because of old age, the chairman decided to abdicate the company. Friendly. The synonyms of friendly are cordial, amiable, congenial, sociable, benign. Now, let us form sentences by using these words. Amiable means friendly and pleasant. Robert is an amiable person. Benign means pleasant and kind. Ms. Stella was a benign elderly lady. Cordial means courteous and gracious. Polite relations between the leaders of the two Koreas are cordial. Congenial means friendly and pleasant. The air hostess was congenial to the passengers. Affable means showing friendliness. The chairman was quite affable at the meeting. Confusing. The synonyms of confusing are ambiguous, skeptical, obscure, enigmatic, equivocal. Now, let us form sentences by using these words. Ambiguous means having several possible meanings. The terms and conditions of the agreement are ambiguous. Skeptical means having an attitude of doubt. We are skeptical about his chances of winning the election. Obscure means not known to many people. The history of this dynasty is obscure. Enigmatic means mysterious and impossible to understand completely. The story of the Vivian Girls is one of the enigmatic books in the world. Equivocal means not clear and seeming to have two opposing meanings. The mayor's words to the press were deliberately equivocal.
Please like and subscribe to our channel. Press the notification bell to get notifications of